Hi, I'm Steve from Workbench-Z, and I wanted to demonstrate airlock in terms of drain pipes. If I want to empty this bottle of water, I can put a hole in it, but notice the water is really not coming out. That's because the air at the top here is trapped. Free air can't get in to replace the water that wants to come out. You can even try and make that hole a little bigger. And nothing. But watch what happens when I open up the top and I vent this chamber. Look how good the water's coming out. If I seal up the vent so that air can't get back in, it practically stops. This is why the waste pipes in your house for the sink, the toilet, the shower have vents that go up through the roof so that air can get in to let the water go down and out. I'm Steve from Workbench-Z, and I hope you learned something. Have a great day.